Hi, I wanted to show you my softbox hack. It's not really a softbox. It's a LED panel which I have put some clamps on, the sunbed clamps that clamps your towel to your sunbed when you're on the beach in the summer. It's around the edge of the LED panel. I'll show you in a minute. And it's also a shower curtain over the top, so it diffuses the light quite a bit, and I think it looks quite okay. Let me know in the comments if you find this okay. I'll show you what it looks like, how I made it. This is what it looks like. It's a Ulanzi light stand, 2-meter height, with a cheap $25–$30 LED panel on it, 25 watts LED panel. And then you see the clamps, which is the same type that you use to fasten your towel to your sunbed when you're at the beach in the summertime. And there is a white synthetic something plastic shower curtain over the top, and it gives off a nice soft light all across. So I'll go back to the front camera so you can see me. I think this actually looks quite okay. So this is what you can do if you want a softbox and you have some stuff laying around at home, and shower curtain is about $10 or so. Clamps are $2, $3, $4 maybe. Light source, the LED panel, is somewhere around $25–$30 or something. Light stand from Ulanzi is also $20, $25, $30 or something. So it's quite okay. You can probably get by with a little money. It's not the most expensive setup in the world. I have real soft boxes and cob lights and stuff, but I kind of like this solution. It's easy, it's lightweight, and you can move it around. It's not a lot of setup and stuff. So let me know in the comments if you like this little video hack softbox thing. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks, bye.